Hi soulmates, if you like to learn how to make this trendy corset with this stylish cut at the yoke, then this video is definitely for you. You need to watch till the end. My name is Veronica Adams Eze. Welcome to Vera Adams YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. So right here is the pattern paper I'll be using for the course of this tutorial. I've gone ahead to mark the starting line, and from the starting line I'll be measuring, or rather I'll be marking the bust line. I'll go forward to mark the under bust line and also the waistline, which is 10 inches, 14 inches and 17 inches respectively. Moving on, I'll be marking 2 inches above the bust line. I'll rule a straight line and that will represent the chest line. I'll go ahead and take the shoulder measurement, which is 15 inches divided by 2, that's 7.5, on both the chest line and on the shoulder line, and I'll connect these points together just as you're seeing me doing right here. Right on the shoulder line, I'll come down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope, and I'll go ahead to take the neck width, which is 3.5 inches, and from that point I'll connect down to make the slope. And what I have on the shoulder line, I'll divide it into 2, come in by 1/2 inch, and then go ahead to mark the bust band measurement right on the chest line. Bust band measurement I'm working on is 36 inches divided by 4, 9 inches, and I'll go ahead and connect with the cuff part of my ruler. Moving on to the waistline, I'm marking the nipple to nipple measurement, which is 8 inches divided by 2, 4 inches. I've gone ahead to mark on the under bust line and also on the bust line, and I'll move ahead to connect these points together with the straight part of my ruler. Still on the waistline, I'm going to go ahead to take the dart, and I'm using that of 1.5 inches, so divided by 2, that's 0.75 inches on both ends, and I'll go ahead and take 1 inch below the bust line and connect these lines to meet that point. I'll take 1/4 of the waist measurement, which is 8.5 inches, and then add back 1.5 inches for the dart. I can then go ahead to connect this together with the measurement on the chest line. Right at this point, I'm going ahead to take the under bust measurement, which is 32 inches, and what I have left is 1.5 and 2/4. I'm going to go ahead and share this, though unequally, on both sides of the dart leg on the under bust line. So I'm giving 1 inch and 2/4 on the left side and 1/2 inch on the right side, and I'll go ahead and connect it just as you see me doing right here to meet the 1 inch that we came down by from the bust line. Once this is done, I'll go ahead and connect what we have on the under bust line to meet the dart leg on the waistline. Moving upwards to the chest line, I'm going to go down by 1 inch, and from that point I'm going to go in by 1/2 inch, and I'll make a mark right there. I'll then go ahead to connect this point to meet the bust line, and right from there I'm going to use the curvy part of my ruler to connect together to meet the under bust line. And once this is done, I'm going to go ahead to connect from that same point to meet the neck width in the manner that you're seeing me doing right here. I'm moving on to extending the dart line to meet the chest line. And to tighten that region, I'm going to go ahead to take 0.75 on both ends, making a total of 1.5 inches. I will then go ahead to connect these points upwards as so. So moving on, I'll go ahead and make that sweetheart neckline shape. So I'm trying to position my ruler well so that I can get that shape. Please note that I had to turn the curve rule over in order to get the second shape. So right at this point, I'm trying to blend in the shape. Now I'm trying to measure the dart leg to ensure that they are equal. If not, while you're joining together, you have unequal ends. I mean, one part will be longer than the other, so I've gone ahead to adjust this, so at the end we'll have equal ends. So right now, from the shoulder line, I'm going to go ahead to measure 5 inches, and I'll make a mark right there. On the chest line, right on the side, I'm going to go in by 2 inches and make a mark right there. And then I'll also go ahead and extend the dart leg upwards to meet that 5 inches that we marked. I'll then go ahead to connect these points together just as you see me doing right here. From that point that I went up by 1 inch below the chest line, I'm going to go ahead and mark 0.25 inches, and then I'll go ahead and connect upwards just as you see me doing right here. But since I do not want any straight sharp ends, I'll go ahead and curve it inwards. Having done that, I'm going to go ahead and connect this side bust, and here's what we have. So right at this point, I'm going ahead to cut it out, and I started from the bottom and I'm moving forward. Please watch the way that I'm cutting it out and be careful so that you do not make mistakes when you're cutting yours. I am so excited, guys. We are now on 8,000 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you. Thank you. If this is your first time here on this channel, I want to say welcome to this YouTube family. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, do well to subscribe. And to my amazing returning subscribers, you guys are all amazing. Thank you for always tuning in. If this video was any helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video. And here we've come to the end of this tutorial, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.